done it again. Well, actually, I've done it better this time. What we've got here is, what are these? Pollen filters, but as you can see, I went for the Volkswagen Audi Seat Skoda. Grab. Pull. And that's down. Here's what we've got that we hope will replace like for like. That's the new one, which doesn't have a part code on there, but it's the old one out. New one in. Done. Same thing with this. Ouch. That's the old one. That's the new one. That's it, done. This is half the price. So brand new, these from Bentley, these will cost £100. So nothing to do with Bentley on here, and that's it. Oh, actually, here you go, here's a part number. That's the part number. If it's too much shadow, that's the part number. Let's do it this way. There, that's the part number. And yeah, that's it. That was just so easy. So just one there, and that's it. I've seen lots of people do this on YouTube, and what they do is literally try and wedge this out, but it's so easy. Just hold it there and hold it there,